That is the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe departure concept vehicle.
This happens to be the JPP product showcase car. This is called the Departure, and it has a lot of really great features. Some of them are prototype, some of them are available now, so it's sort of a mix. And we use the MOAB to show this off. First up front is this bumper bench, so this grill guard flips down. You can sit on that. Prototype fender flares. These are a flat style fender flare, 37-inch tire. Looks great color scheme on this vehicle, including this beautiful saddle leather interior. Tube doors, lighting, extra storage to it. And on the back of the vehicle shows a really cool concept idea. We put it together here, and it's where the name Departure comes from, honestly. 37-inch tire shown on this prototype gate, stored on the inside, and then through a pivoting mechanism can be pulled to the outside of the vehicle, and you gain the interior space back. Cool idea.
I avoided initially looking at this vehicle because of the front grille, because it just sounded like some kind of gimmick, but it's actually really cool.
No, that is super cool.
And I imagine
I like the way that the grille matches the doors.
Yes. And that's another thing, especially, and we'll talk about it later with the 2024 Jeep, is how many aftermarket products they are incorporating that you can actually buy. So that will help with your warranty.
Right.
But if they didn't tell me this was a concept vehicle, this looks like something I've seen rolling through MOAB.
This is definitely as close to production of the vehicles that we've looked at so far. And it's interesting as a manufacturer. It's one of the things that I kind of like about Jeep is they are looking at aftermarket products and starting to make more and more of those themselves, as opposed to relying on the outside market to do it. Jeep's been coming up with a whole lot of different accessories that you could put on. I know even on my Rubicon JL, from the snorkel to the different bumper sets that they had to, some of the skid plates that they had, there are all sorts of different things available. And over the years, they've worked obviously with like AEV and other companies to do stuff. My JK was an AEV edition that was all under warranty because AEV would, purchase it directly from Jeep. And then, when I bought it from AEV, it was already completely warranted with all the modifications on it.
We're going to talk about warranties a little later. So we're going to come back to that conversation. Are you ready for the next one?
Sure am.
Okay, what is the next one?
Give me a color.
Yeah, right. We did the Jeep Scrambler. Okay, the next one